Now you do it, Michael. Do it with her.
That's good.
Michael, can you remote split? You go do it? Yeah.
No.
I can't. Do you want Callie to do it? If I do it, will you do it?
Yes. Okay.
Mine's better than yours, Michael.
Oh.
Right,
Okay.
Sophie? Yeah. Mine's better than Michael.
No.
Yes.
No.
I know that John Michael's gonna have to show us.
Oh no.
Mine's better than John Michael.
Oh no. Oh no. Yours can't be better than Shawn Michaels. Good job, John Michael. Good job.
Did that hurt? Pop. Pop. Pop.
What did he say?
Pop. Look at his froggy.
Look at that.
Absolutely. And you gotta understand this defense.
Can you go like this?
Going to 3 touchdowns all year.
Can you go like this? If somebody can balance me, I can get both my feet.
Do it, Sophie. Go balance her.
Let's do this. Wait, why don't we